Welcome to Singapore and welcome to Singapore Post. For over 165 years, Singapore Post has been the premier mail delivery service here in Singapore. They offer postal service, logistics services and digital services as well. The motto here at Singapore Post is to make every delivery count for people and planet, and that's exactly what they're achieving. The demands on Singapore Post keep on increasing. Not only are they delivering mail all around the country here, but also a lot of small and large parcels as well. And that is one area of their business that has seen massive growth in recent years. A shift in customer demand means more packages are leaving here than ever. Well, with changing customer demands here at Singapore Post, a lot of deliveries needing to get out the door to the right place, to the right people at the right time, Singapore Post management had to really rethink about their technology platform that underpinned their processes. And guess what? That led them to these devices. Well, there are two different Zebra devices being used here at Singapore Post, and that's really reflective of the nature of their business and the changing nature of their business here at Singapore Post. So, as I said earlier, they're doing mail delivery and parcel delivery, but what they've realised is that their parcel delivery service is really growing at a rapid rate, whilst mail delivery services are dropping. So, you've got workers that are out there on motorbikes delivering smaller packages and letters. They're using the TC26 compact mobile computing device. But then you've got the other workers that are out there delivering larger parcels out of their vans, and they're using the TC57x. Joining me is Gan Hing, the Head of Operations here at Singapore Post. Gan, thanks for joining me.
Good morning.
Well, big question. What drove you to implement new Zebra devices here at Singapore Post?
So actually this year Singapore Post is celebrating the 165 years since the start of postal operations in Singapore. So for us, actually we have gone through numerous transformations across the past few years. So right now actually we offer a whole suite of services. So we are no longer just a postal operator, but we are actually a global multifaceted logistics player that have operations from delivery to warehousing to processing, as well as even in retail. So we needed a device that was able to meet all these needs across the supply chain. So which is why we decided on Zebra being that partner to work with us as we continue this transformation journey.
Well, here at Singapore Post, like a lot of logistic organisations, you've experienced a change of customer demands, massive growth of parcel deliveries. What role is technology playing in helping you to meet those customer demands?
So we see technology and service forming the two key pillars in defining the customer's digital experience. So technology in itself helps to string between the various customers within the supply chain, starting from the seller and then all the way down to the buyer. So having a good technology would be able to then make the experience for both parties as seamless as possible. So besides on the customer front, technology also helps the staff to be able to be more productive. How they can then use technology to automate some of the processes so that they can serve the customer better. So we believe that technology will then allow us to dream about what that future supply chain will look like.
Investing in new technology does come at a cost. When it came to choosing new devices, what was your criteria? What were you looking for here at Singapore Post?
So beyond the cost, actually, I think what we are looking for is value, the value that it brings to our customer. So in line with our purpose statement, making every delivery count for people and planet. So the devices that we are looking for is something that would be able to make sure that we can deliver to our customers on time, and at the same time doing it in the most productive way, the most carbon efficient way.
At Zebra, we talk a lot about empowering the worker. Do you think that you have now got the right tool in your workers' hands to be able to achieve the business outcomes that you're looking for?
No, I'm actually very confident that right now, the Zebra devices will actually give us a good foundation for us to continue with our transformation journey. In fact, even before we embarked on this purchase, we also did our own trials, and actually the staff has been very happy with the performance of the devices. But we do believe that Zebra, which is with a lot of its technology within its device design itself, would be able to then help us push the boundary and allow us to serve our customers better. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how with these Zebra devices, my staff will be able to serve our customers better.
Gun, well, I'm very impressed with what you've done here at Singapore Post, and thank you for choosing Zebra devices. I hope they provide you a lot of value for many years to come.
Thank you, thank you.
Let me tell you about the two devices here in use at Singapore Post. The TC26 for mail and small package delivery with the guys and girls out on their motorbikes, and then the TC57X being used for larger parcel deliveries out of vans. Now, they're both enterprise grade rugged devices. They're 5-inch displays, high definition at that, long battery life, fast processors, everything that's needed for an enterprise environment, a busy enterprise environment as well. But one of the most important features that they needed here at Singapore Post was good barcode scanning capabilities. It was an issue that they were challenged with previous devices, but these two devices have solved that problem. 1D, 2D barcode scanners that can scan the damaged barcodes that they were having trouble in scanning previously. So TC26, TC57X, delivering the goods here at Singapore Post. With changing customer demands, businesses need to adapt, and that's exactly what Singapore Post has done, and Zebra's devices are helping play their part as well. What they've managed to assist here is to keep up with the throughput that's happening through Singapore Post, the increase in parcel delivery services. Very, very critical to make sure that those deliveries are happening on time and nice and efficiently. But it goes further than that. With the constant transformation needed, they needed to work with some devices that would allow them to grow and expand their offering and improve their processes even further. And that's exactly what the TC26 and the TC57X has helped them achieve here at Singapore Post. I love coming to Singapore, and I've really enjoyed my time here at Singapore Post and seeing how they're transforming their business with the help of some Zebra devices. You can do exactly the same. If you want to find out more, just jump online, visit zebra.com.